Alright, everybody, you know, Skilla again. And watch you now. You remember the other day when time we show you said there was a gay march going on, you know, somewhere down in the countryside, Jamaica, Montego Bay, St. James? Well, I'm going to give you a close-up look for make you see for yourself, say, it was true. You know, the view that you see from overhead, we are giving you the view within the crowd. So, observe. Alright. Me could get down to the real part of this thing I'm really saying. Alright, in my view, it seems to me like it's an organization, not from Jamaica only, but it seems like there's people from outside of Jamaica there as well. Because I just see one mark, Montego Bay Pride. You see me? Then after that, if you take a look again, you will see another one saying Florida Pride. Right? Now help me look, you know. Because it's not like I'm very accurate about this thing, you know. So help me observe. You see me? You know the one that really puzzles me is this one. The cardboard where in front of me say, be straight, be grey, be colorful, or be gay. They no say or be gay, be gay. It's like, what is that, advertisement? Look, the word pride seems to be a big mark within the community of these people. You see me I say? And I don't know what it is they're trying to achieve, but safe travel and feed them journey. You see me I say? Yeah, me know. We just want to know what you the viewers think. You see me I say? And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you need to know more what go on. You know, my name is Skilla, and that was Skilla's Entertainment.